everybody. How are you tonight? Hey, good to see you. It is number, can you believe it? 350, I believe. Yes, yes. Beyond Sugar Skulls, part 2. And while you're seeing this, I am in Oaxaca. It is November 2nd. It is the official Day of the Dead, Dia de los Muertos. And I am in Oaxaca, Mexico, where it is celebrated with such amazing, the culture is absolutely stunning. I started last night with a book called Art and Culture, Dia de los Muertos, a fictionalized story based in the real nonfiction aspects of Dia de los Muertos. And it's centered around a fictionalized family called the Santos, and they are it's set in Los Angeles, and how that family is celebrating Dia de los Muertos and what it has. So if you missed part 1, it was last night, Beyond Sugar Skulls part 1. That's the first part of the book. And tonight I'm going to share the second half. Yay! So welcome and thanks for being here for the Story and Art. And let's get started with the story. And here is the title again, Dia de los Muertos. Let's see if we can go right to the page we need to be at. All Souls Day. Yes. We left off and they had just celebrated the Little Angel, Day of the Little Angels, which is the day before Day of the Dead, and where you honor children that have the family has lost, and so they're remembering the children. They've gone on for All Souls Day. All Souls Day. When I wake the following day, I have a huge grin on my face. It is officially Dia de los Muertos. Los Angeles is an exciting place to be for the Day of the Dead. There are many people in the city who celebrate the holiday. I can't wait for the parade. People dress up, sing, dance, so much fun. But first, my family spends time at the ofrenda. Rosa set a bowl of mole at the altar. She also places a calaveras on the ofrenda. These are the skulls made out of sugar. Rosa and my mom decorated them with colorful frosting. They are very popular on the Day of the Dead. People use them as decoration and gifts. It says women dance in a Day of the Dead parade in Oaxaca, Mexico. That's the picture on down below. It says, let's explore math. Math again. Rosa and her mother want to place 19 calaveras in equal rows on the ofrenda. Rosa says that there are only 2 ways to arrange them in equal rows because 19 is a prime number. Do you agree? Explain your thinking. I don't know. That's beyond me. After decorating the ofrenda, my sister sets the table, and it is time to eat. I study her mole suspiciously. But when I take my first bite, I'm surprised. The mole is absolutely delicious. The entire family agrees. Rosa has successfully recreated Grandma's famous dish. Rosa, I didn't want to tell you, but I was worried, my mother laughs. Grandma's mole is very hard to make. You should be proud. Thanks, I guess. My sister rolls her eyes, but I can tell that she is pleased with my mother's compliment. I wish we could have mole every day, I sigh, shoveling more of the delicious dish into my mouth. But then it would be not be special, my father says. You know the mole is only for formal occasions. Tell you what, Rosa replies. I'll learn how to make something else from Grandma's recipe book for us to try. I grin at Rosa and nod. Mole ingredients. See, yeah, mole is my go-to food when we go out. That's kind of how I rank my favorite Mexican restaurants, by their mole. A little more math. Rosa prepares 15 bowls of mole for dinner party. She wants to display the bowls on a table in equal rows. Find all the possible ways that she can display the bowls by finding the factors of 15. Identify the number of rows and the number of bowls in each row. More math. Our house buzzes with the activity now that dinner is done. We are getting ready for the parade. Rosa and my mother dress up as Katrinas. A Katrina doll looks like a skeleton wearing an elegant dress and a fancy hat. Katrinas poke fun at the wealthy in Mexican culture. It doesn't matter how rich you are. You can't take money with you to the grave. While my family gets dressed, I paint my face. I use black and white at first and add brighter colors later. By the end, I am half skeleton, half kid. Many people will paint their faces today. Some will paint only half their face. The half painted face symbolizes the strong link between life and death. We only live a short time. Both life and death are celebrated on Dia de los Muertos. It says these women dress as Catrinas to celebrate Day of the Dead. Look at that. After spending many hours getting ready, our family finally heads to the parade. We wave to other families we know. Everyone has dressed for the festivities. There is so much to see. Giant skulls travel through the crowds. Some are so big that they take 5 people to carry them. One group carries a huge calaca, or skeleton. Another woman is wearing a gown covered with calaveras. I can't believe how many people there are. Each year, thousands of people celebrate Day of the Dead. It seems as though they are all at the parade. Everywhere I turn, there is something new to see. One of my favorite participants in the parade is a man walking on huge stilts. I wonder how he made them. Hey, maybe we can build those for next year, I nudge my sister. I was thinking the same thing, my sister says, and we smile at each other. Carlos and his family see giant skulls being carried during the parade. It takes 5 people to carry one skull. There are 40 volunteers carrying the giant skulls. How many skulls do they carry? List and count the multiples of 5 to find the solution. It says stilt walkers perform during the Day of the Dead festival in Mexico. Saying goodbye. When we arrive home, my father brings out the incense. We use a special kind of incense called copal. Some families light copal to help spirits find their way to the land of the living. They also light it to show them when it's time to leave. Carlos, do you want to carry the copal? My father hands the incense to me. It is a great privilege to guide our loved ones back home. Yes, I would be honored. Oops, sorry. I nod to my father. My sister and mother smile. Until next year, Grandma, I say as I walk from our house to the sidewalk. Incense trails behind me with every step. Dia de los Muertos is over. Even though I am sad to see the festivities end, I know my grandma would be very proud. The holiday has brought our family together. I can't wait until next year's celebration. And then there's problem-solving things about that and a glossary. This is a great book. It even has an answer key at the end. Yay! Answer key. That's awesome. It has an answer key for the book. Oh, you guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed that second part of Beyond Sugar Skulls, Part 2. I know this is a short story tonight, but I'm going to cut it to this size so that you can go out and celebrate Day of the Dead or remember those people who are no longer with us and celebrate them, talk to them however you do, and know that this is a time to celebrate their lives. And I just thank each and every one of you for being here tonight, for being with me on this journey of story and art. And I just want to celebrate all of you, our community, our friendship, and all this culture that we're getting through these type of things. So I'll be back soon, and then I'll tell you all about this. But until next time, keep looking for the beauty hidden in plain sight. It's all around you, and the first place you'll find it is in the mirror. See you later. Let's see. Oh. Ha ha ha. Oh. There we go.